everyone, this is Balkrishna, and today we are going to see how we are maintaining the standard tree structure when we are designing the plastic part, or how we are maintaining the tree structure in CAD design. So here you can see in the screen on the screen we have standard tree structure. So here you can edit the name of the part, whatever the part name, and under the part name you can see the geometrical set. This is a raw style or the style or input received from the customer or styling team we are keeping here. And then you can see the input, tooling direction, parting line, construction element, and engineering features and close body. So these points we are creating. So in the input, if you open, we are keeping our style, revision 1, revision 2 with the dates. So you can add here, we can copy the style and we can paste here. Then in the tooling direction section, we are creating the tooling direction. So there are two things. One is the main tooling direction for the part. If it is received from the customer, you can maintain that, or you can also create the tooling direction. Then we have slider lifter direction. So slider lifter direction, any required, we can keep separately. Then in the parting line, again, there are two things. One is the main parting line. So whatever the closed body we are creating, that body having the parting line, right, we are creating that parting line we are keeping separately. And features parting line. So whenever we are using the sliders and lifter for the features, we are creating the separate parting line for that feature that we are keeping separately. So in the construction element, if you open, you can see in the construction element, we have class A surface, class B surface, and class C surface, and final joint. These are the main geometrical set in construction element. And under that sub-geometrical set, if you see surface A joint, so whatever the joint we are creating final, we are keeping in the surface A. Then surface B joint, we are keeping separate surface B joint, and surface C joint, final C joint when we are creating. And the A surface modifications, any modifications you are doing, you can keep separately. Then in the surface B offset, so we are keeping the surface B offset separately with the value like 2.53 mm, whatever the offset value you can add here. And surface B operations means when we are offsetting the surface B, that time it's not like always complete all the surfaces are offsetting. So some patches we are creating manually so that we can keep separately that operations. Surface C when we are creating between class A and class B. So surface C also we are using blend, multi-section, sweep, any command we are using, we can keep here separately for the surface C. And then final joint, definitely we are joining all the things. And in the engineering features, we are creating the separate features. So for features also we are taking inputs or sketches that we can keep separately with each feature name. And then finally close body. So close body is the solid body. Okay, so solid body we are keeping separately here. So whenever we are working on in company or in the when we are solving the CAD test also, we are using the standard tree structure. So we need to follow the standard tree structure, and you can properly create your model.